Take a look at this awesome video showing Ripple engineers sharing their experience, what's it look like building the Ripple. You can find this video on the official Ripple's Twitter page, but in the meantime guys, welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, as you could have guessed, we are going to be talking about none other than XRP. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on XRP, so if you want to find out where this price is going to go in the future, make sure to stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. Now, before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding XRP. Take a look at this folks. The current value of XRP is 0.6217, which is actually a drop in the amount of 0.16% in the last couple of minutes only. The trading volume is growing slowly. Right now it's up by 4.45% to be exact, as you can see on your screen. But take a look at the price movement in the last 24 hours. Again, another day with the price movement looking pretty disappointing. Right now it's mostly in the red. Over here you can see it breaching into green, but again it's going down. So where is this little red dot going to go in the future, you may wonder? If that's what you want to find out guys, all you would need to do is watch this video till the end and I will provide you with that price prediction. Now first of all, let me get back to the news that I actually started the video with. So you can find a video on official Ripple's Twitter account of engineers sharing their experiences of what it's looked like building the Ripple. But that's not the only news that I wanted to share with you guys. You remember that infamous lawsuit between SEC and Ripple? Of course, everybody remembers that. Take a look at the latest development. XRP requests time extension for the first time to respond to the SEC's new claims related to Heineman's document. So that's actually really a never-ending story. Popular blockchain network Ripple and two of its executives, Brett Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, have requested for an extension of time to respond to recent assertions made by the Securities and Exchange Commission about the fact that attorney-client privilege is protecting the internal documents related to William Heineman's speech in 2018. Ripple response is originally due on May 4th. However, based on seriousness of the issue at hand, the blockchain company and an individual defendants have asked for time extension until May 13 of this year. You can take a look at this tweet of James K. Phelan with a picture of that time extension request. According to Ripple, the plaintiff does not have an issue with the fintech company's appeal to file response to assertion made by the SEC on later date, since this is the defendant's first time of asking an extension. Recall that Judge Sarah Nedburn ruled that the Securities and Exchange Commission should submit the internal documents, which contain the draft speech made by the SEC former Director of Finance Heineman on June 14, 2018, where he noted that Ethereum is not a security. The SEC was given a 14-day period to object to the ruling should they not feel comfortable with the court's decision. After requesting a 4-day time extension, the security regulators came up with a new reason why the document should not be used, as evidenced in the lawsuit. Per the SEC document, Judge Nedburn ordered the agency to produce reflected communication between Heineman and agency attorneys, and as such, the conversation is accepted to remain confidential. Prior to the SEC objection, the security regulator had argued that Heineman's speech about Ethereum was only personal opinion and could not be used as a public guidance. However, with the court not buying the story, the SEC chose to establish a new argument with the hope that Judge Annalisa Torres will reconsider Ripple's plea to keep Heineman's documents from being used in the case. So guys, this is still ongoing and SEC is doing everything in order not to show Heineman notes as an official evidence in that case. Whether that happens or not, if the notes are being shown and the speech is accepted as evidence, definitely that means that the law will be on XRP and Ripple's side. In the meantime, I guess we will need to wait for the May 13th. Right now, again, we are seeing XRP going down and going in the red. Here it is right over here in the last 24-hour movement. So the bears are not giving up on this price. But where is this price going in the future? I will be telling you that in a moment, but first of all, guys, I would need to say that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, after the next news, I am sure that you will be able to make your own decision on the price movement in the future. Take a look at this, guys. Ripple plummeted below the 0.62 support on April 29, and the bears extended the decline to 0.56 on April 30th. The price rebound on May, indicating a buying at lower levels. The bulls are currently trying to push the price above the breakdown level at 0.62. If they succeed, the recovery could reach 20-day EMA of 0.68. This is an important level to keep an eye on, because if the price turns down from this level, it will suggest that the bears are active at higher levels. The pair may then drop to the strong support of 0.65. A break below this support could open the doors for the drop of 0.50. So guys, if we take a look at the chart over here, we can see that the price did go up to above 0.62, but over here it seems that the bears are still pushing it down. Right now as we speak, the value is 0.6199 and it's still dropping. So it appears that the bears are not giving up lightly on this price. So let's get back to that price prediction. Guys, if you were thinking of entering XRP community, I would advise you to wait at least a couple of more days, because this battle between the bulls and the bears is still ongoing, and I'm only seeing XRP hovering around the price of 0.59 to 0.62. I'm not seeing it breaching that line of 0.62 above in the very near future. So XRP, by my opinion, is not a good investment right now, at least not until the end of this week. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.